Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do protective style zigzag cornrow on yourself. Okay, so the next we are going to need a comb, and you're going to section your hair from your front all the way to the back. And again, if you are a beginner, you don't have to do your pattern to be perfect. In this video, I'm going to show you how to section your hair for zigzag cornrow, and how to start your cornrow, how to turn so that your zigzag will look just very nice and good. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask your question in the comment section. Like, comment, and thank you. So I'm sectioning it one by one, and the next is I'm using a hair clip to clip it down. And the reason why is so that I do not add two sections in the one braid. So as I'm going to be removing the pin. I know that is the next in line. So I started first by twisting my hair, and I'm not twisting it too tight. Then after that, I start by cornrowing. That really worked good for me, and also I noticed it's not too tight when I started with twist. Again, if that doesn't work for you, you can do all cornrow and you will still achieve the same result. So now, after I braid to the end of where I sectioned the hair, I'm going to add extension just like I did, and I'm going to do like I'm going straight to my back. I'll show you. You see, I'm braiding it like I'm going to do my hair cornrow all the way back. Now once I do that, I'm going to, my next step will be for me to take the pin out and look in the mirror. That is what I really did. I look in the mirror to make sure that I'm taking the next hair, and also that I'm not pulling it too much back. Now after I do that, I start cornrowing and following to the next section hair that I section. And that is the reason I say you have to use pin to keep it down, so that you do not add two sections in one and braiding it, especially when you're doing it by yourself. Okay, and again, you can also look in the mirror, because that will help you to see if there is any hair that is following. Once you get to the way to the end of where you section your hair, the next will be for you to start braiding like you're going all the way to the back, and you use your left hand and get the pin out of your hair. I'm just gonna like slow down on the music so that you will see, and also will be able to hear what I'm saying. See, once I do it, I remove the pin and I make sure my line is also straight, and I start from there. You see how I pull my hand all the way up, I braid, and once I get to the end of the braid, I just finish braiding it and I tie it with the extension. Now if it is your natural hair, you do not need to tie your hair at all. You just braid it to the ends and you continue. So the next is the same concept. I'm just using a little bit of braid. So watch to the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to maintain your natural hair, how you can moisturize your hair, grow your hair, so that while your hair is still in protective style, you'll still be able to grow your hair, and your hair will not be drier. So when you're taking it out, it's not going to be fuller. A lot of people will be like, oh, since I started doing my hair myself, I've been getting better results. I said that is because you're the one doing it, and you know how to hold your hair. You know when it's too tight. When I'm doing my client's hair, I ask them, is that too tight? And let me know. If your hairstylist is not doing that, then your hair might be too tight, or it's not asking you to let them know, because they really will not be able to tell unless you speak out and say, hey, you're holding my natural hair too tight, and they will be able to reduce their hand. Again, on this zigzag hairstyle, you have more chance of pulling your hair because you're going upward and downward. So you really want to pay more attention when it comes to doing it. And it's very protective style. I notice when I have this hair, I will tell you from experience now, I was able to moisturize my hair, my hairline. I was able to get more to my scalp, my root, because again I was going upward and downward, upward and downward. Now I'm going to show you how to do a crisscross, or how to start a heart pattern in the middle of your hair. You can do it yourself. Yes, everything is possible. And also want to encourage you, if you try it first time you didn't get the accurate result, don't give up. Good thing takes time, and it will get better and better and better as you go. Okay, so the side that I clip with the pin, I'm not going to do those side, and the side, just like you see, I'm going to go right side, left side, right side, left side. That is how to do your crisscross. And I use the pin side to keep it safe, so that I know then any side that I see that I have a pin on it, I'm going to cross over to the opposite side of it and braid it just like I did. Now once I finish that, I'm going the next side. See how I just cross? Then I keep cornrowing my hair. Let me know, do you have any question? If you have any question, please comment. I will be happy, and I do respond to all the question in the comment section, or any comment I respond. Thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time here, I really appreciate you joining us. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you. May the good Lord bless you for always coming and returning and watching. Hey, I couldn't have gone this far without all you watching and sharing my videos. So I want to say a big thank you for you following me in this journey. Thank you, thank you. So the next, I'm doing the other side zigzag. Some people call it a snake. No, I wouldn't want to call it a snake, but okay. So you see how I start and how I braid. If you notice my hair, you don't see like my skin like popping up or it's looking too tight. That is because I'm giving it a little bit inch space, and also I'm doing it myself, so I know when it's too tight I reduce my hand. Okay, if you have watched me this far, I want to say thank you. And the next is for us to do the baby hair. If you don't know how to do your baby hair, this is the easy and straight way for you to do. Just get a jam and wrap your hair around and lay it down. This, I know people were like, oh my gosh, when I showed it, they're like, oh my god, this really worked. And let me know, did it work for you? It did work for me, but I would like to hear your own opinion also. We are family here, so feel free to comment in the comment section. Okay, I did say that I was going to show you how to maintain your natural hair, how to protect your protective style, how to keep your hair growing. Now, everyone's hair grow, but how to maintain the growth so it does not break out easily. So I'm using a purple product in this video. So after moisturizing my hair, I'm going to use a shea butter, and I also massage my scalp. That helps for circulation, better circulation, and I will cover it. You can use whatever that works good that will keep your hair more circulation. And if you have watched me this far, thank you so much. I'm going to see you in our next video. Like, share, and comment. Thank you.